Hi guys, so this is Rohit and welcome back again, all of you. So, guys, first thing first, I want to make you clear that this video is not gonna be too long. If you clicked here, so watch this till its end because I'm gonna to share my experience here that what I experienced in this 1 week, in these 7 days, and what I improved, what I learned, what I did here. So without wasting any time, let's start. So first thing first, when I started my journey of making content, I uploaded a first video of intro myself, and that time I didn't watch it before, and I don't think that it will get so many views. I don't think that it will. It is just like I want to share it that I don't think that it will connect with thousands of people. It can cross 1k views. I think that it will go around 50 to 100 views, but it crossed 1k views cross. I'm not saying that it is long and you have achieved a lot of. I don't think, but this gives me motivation to start to start making new videos, and then I started and I learned something, and I also learned that I speak very slow, and sometimes I look nervous. So I thought that I can be speak fast and I can speak up. Like now I am saying very slowly and looking little nervous, but I am speaking now very. I'm not saying confident, but I'm improving my tone to speak loud, and the main reason is to start content creation for me is to building confidence in myself and becoming a great public speaker. That's why I started making video. And you don't believe, whenever my fear is that my fear is to do not speak in front of people because I had that fear of judgment, but now I don't have. Some people will judge me, some people will not judge me, some people will motivate me, some people will demotivate me. I know. So that's the journey, that why I started, and why I'm making videos. And I know that I can make my audience in just 3 4 months, and it can take more, but I can grow, and I will get money as well. So I'm not gonna to lose everything. I'm gonna to enjoy, I'm gonna to learn, I'm gonna to do everything that can help me and that can help you as well, guys. So the main reason is to start, to becoming confident, to becoming public speaker, a great public speaker, and that's why I started. So I hope you like this video, and if you, so please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Till then, bye bye. We will meet into next video.